Hello everyone, it's 35 Invest here with you, and I decided to make a video on the major account for the Bitcoin to understand where we are right now, and we're gonna do it from scratch, which means no lines right now. Everything is clear, clean chart. By the way, this is a 1 week time frame on Bitcoin all-time history index, so we see all the history of Bitcoin starting from 2011. But basically we gonna take care of this section. We want to look what happened, and first of all, let's go ahead and mark the zones of interest, which are the most interesting zones and areas for us, and then we'll try to find any confluences between them. So this zone is really interesting because that is the all-time high of the previous bull market. Also, what I want to notice is this point over here, but actually if we'll go back, then you will see that many things happened during that time. We had a lot of tension here, then this area was a lot of tension. Just look how many weeks it just got rejected. Then we had another rejections here, and we never know what's going to happen. Maybe the price will go lower because a lot of people predict 10,000 K for the Bitcoin, so we definitely have to have it marked. Also, I would mark the other area right here because you can see so many wicks and candle bodies here. And notice if we will connect it, then the price for right now, it stopped exactly on the last week. It stopped exactly on this line, and now it is somewhere above it. So we also have that zone marked, and another one that I will have marked is this area. For now, that's basically what I'm interested in, these areas. So now let's go ahead and figure out, are there any other confluences which can suggest that some of these areas are more important than the other one. Oh, by the way, let's also have this one marked. I will have this area marked. Just will make it this way. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do next, what I usually do during my technical analysis, I will go for the Elliott wave count. And for me, you may not agree with it, but I suppose that this is the most probable count. One, two, three, four, and five. So I think that this is the correct count. Some people say that three is right here, and we are working on the wave four now, which can actually be true because it never went lower than the wave one, but you don't really know for sure. And so many eliticians will look at one chart and they will have different suggestions according to it. Okay, I will hide the wave, just have the tops of it marked for us. So if this is a count, and I suppose it is, then now we are looking for the ABC correction, which is probably something like that. And also let's hide the wave so the chart will not get overcrowded by the different counts and different lines. And if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then what is the most probable area for the retracement? We go to the Fibonacci retracement tool and select from the swing low into the swing high. And just look at that, how perfectly what we can see here is this golden pocket area. Uh, there's the golden pocket area, and just look at it. Here was a very clear retest, and there was another clear retest, and basically a lot of buyers were here. So the market had a suggestion that probably from here it'll bounce, but something happened and the price went lower. And whenever price is falling lower, then as you know, the next most probable zone and area is the platinum pocket, which happens to be right here. So that is the platinum pocket, and check out where the price is right now. It is exactly in the middle of this platinum pocket. It can actually go even lower, and if it'll go lower, it will revisit this area that we also have marked. So those areas are really, really important, and I will just make it a little bit thicker so we can definitely understand the importance of them, right? And okay, so the price is here. Also, I should have another trend line drawn here, and This is the trend line. We'll connect these borders. And what you notice is really interesting. It looks like the price got broken it, finally broke out of it, and now it is retesting it. So will it go from here, bounce from here, and now go high, or will it just continue to have a little sideways movement and then go lower for these levels? Well, nobody knows for sure, but what we have to say is definitely these areas are very important to consider.